Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you two rice water recipes that I have been experimenting and testing on my hair, and I call this the red and blue rice water recipe that is great for boosting hair growth, reduce dandruff and scalp irritation, plus this can also help soften the hair, make your hair stronger, and at the same time prevent hair thinning. So let's get started. Okay, so we all know that rice water alone is great for the hair because of its amazing hair growth benefits, and it also prevents hair thinning. And studies found that inositol, an ingredient found in rice water, is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. But I would like to spice up this rice water a bit and boost its effectiveness by adding these simple ingredients to the recipe. So for the first recipe, of course, I will use an organic white rice and blue turnip flour. Now, blue butterfly pea or blue turnip is rich in antioxidants. It can help boost hair growth. It can make the hair silky, shine, and soft. And it contains anthocyanin, a compound known to increase blood circulation in the head and therefore maintain a healthy scalp. It also helps in strengthening the hair follicles from within. That's why I wanted to add it in this rice water. And also, this is used to naturally color the food blue. And not only for that reason, but also because when you consume it, it actually has a lot of health benefits as well. Alright, now for the second recipe, I will be using brown rice this time and then hibiscus flower. Now the hibiscus flower helps reduce dandruff and scalp irritation. It moisturizes and rejuvenates dry hair, and it reduces tangles and breakage. This also helps stimulate hair growth. It conditions the hair, it prevents baldness and premature graying of hair, and furthermore, hibiscus is a great gentle cleanser for the hair without stripping the scalp from its natural oils. Alright, for the directions for the first recipe. Now for my hair length, I will be using 2 cups of organic rice, and in here I will do the first rinse just to get rid of any impurities, or in my country we call it here passé. We rinse the rice to get rid of the passé. Now once that's done, I'm going to add in 5 cups of water, and then I will rub the rice on my palms and on my fingers for about 5 minutes until the water turns milky white, just like this. And then after that, I will leave that in there soaking for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes again, I'm going to go ahead and rub the rice on the palms of my hands for another 8 minutes. And then after that, I will put it on a pan and then let it heat up. Now, I won't necessarily boil it, but just hot enough so that I can add in the flowers to brew it and to let the color bleed out and get all of its tea goodness in the rice water. As you guys can see here, the color starts to bleed out already. Now after 5 minutes, I will turn off the heat and I'm just gonna let it brew in there for another 10 minutes and then remove the flower petals as soon as they look like this. And now this is our blue rice water. Alright, so from here, I'm going to transfer it in a container and store it because we are going to let it ferment. Okay, so for the second recipe, I will be doing the exact same thing, so I won't be doing voiceovers here. Alright, so now we have our red and blue rice water recipes. Now, for me personally, I will let this ferment for only 48 hours. You can actually go up to 72 hours or you can also go for a week. But personally for me, I like the 48 hours of fermentation because I still find that it still does a good job on my hair versus the ones that have been fermenting for a week. If you just ferment it for 48 hours, the formula does not really stink. I don't want my rice water to smell bad and ferment it for that long because honestly, it makes my scalp itchy if I ferment it for too long. Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to transfer it into these spray bottles right here just because it's easier to apply on the hair right now. Especially I'm doing this in my room. Typically you want to do this in the bathroom. This is really best to apply on clean hair. So basically what you do is you wash your hair, shampoo your hair, and then condition if you have to condition your hair. And after that, use this as the last rinse. You can also rinse this out with cold water after. Okay, so what I'll do with this one, of course, is I'm going to spray this all over my hair. As I've said, this would be so much better if you're in the bathroom, just so that you could really soak your hair with this. Okay, so I got a little basin right here, just to kind of show you guys. So I am going to go ahead and pour it just like that. So the one that I put is the one with the blue turn it. And what I also like to do is I like to massage it on my scalp, just making sure that it has really touched my scalp and all. And this is the one with the hibiscus flower. And also, by the way, before you guys use this, make sure to kind of like swirl it around just like this. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and just pour that. So it really depends on what recipe you want to use on your hair. I use both of them just for the sake of showing you guys, but usually I will have to just pick one of this recipe and use it on both on my hair. So now at this point, I'm gonna let it stay on my hair for 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'm just gonna rinse it out with cold water and then air dry it. Okay, so this is the result on my hair. By the way, you guys, I did a rice water challenge and I have been testing these recipes out, and my hair feels extra smooth whenever I use this. I really do like how it moisturizes my scalp, and also I just find that if you have oily scalp, it helps get rid of it too, but at the same time, it does not dry your scalp at all. So basically, it just balances it. Also, my hair feels stronger and the texture of my hair feels very, very soft. I do notice that there's less hair fall when I was using this, and I really do like the combination of the rice water and the two ingredients that I added in here. And also one thing that I do like about it is that it does not make your hair stink or leave any smell to it, which is great. And also this is super easy to do because it does not require a lot of ingredients, so you guys can surely make this at home. Alright, so that is it you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. That is it you guys. I hope you all are having a great day, and please do stay tuned for the rice water challenge that I did on my hair if you all are interested in that. Once again, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!